Correct? Let me illustrate. Giputol ang rose, namatay ang bush. The rose is still alive. No, the source!
Hi everyone. I am vlogging my journey sa pag-take ng aking NCLEX exam. Today is April 8, 2024, and I am 1 week, almost 2 weeks, 1 week and a half na lang, yung 16 days na lang para mag-take ako ng NCLEX exam. And nag-start akong mag-document just today kasi gusto ko siyang i-document. So, if nakikita niyo to and you're watching as of the moment, meaning pumasa ako. Pag hindi niyo to nakikita, meaning but I trust the Lord. Si God na talaga. And I will show you kung paano siya ka-faithful and kung gaano ka siya ka-great talaga sa buhay ko. Not just sa buhay ko, sa buhay namin ni Joseph and sa family namin. Sobrang God is good sa lives namin talaga. And alam ko na He will get me through this. Maybe it's not this time, maybe it's the next time, pero alam ko na makakaya at makakaya ko to kasi I know na nandyan siya. And i-lift ko lahat sa Kanya kasi 100% siya to. And I can say that. And if you're watching this na wala kang hope na nagtitake ka din ng exam na nagsastudy ka din, i-lift mo lang, ibigay mo sa Kanya lahat kasi walang point lahat ng pagsastudy nito if hindi niya gusto, if hindi niya will to, hindi niya ibibigay, or magsasabi siya na wait lang, ibibigay ko to sa'yo pero wait ka lang dyan, itatest ko yung patient mo pero wait ka lang dyan. May mga ganun na times. So ako, I'm just doing my best and I know na God will do the rest. Gaya lang din ng same lang din ng pag-take ko ng board exam. I know na hindi yun ako. Si Lord yun for sure. Hindi yun ako for sure. And alam ko na same God pa rin yung gagawa ng miracles, ng gagawa nito para for me and para for me. Ano ba yun? And yan, i-document ko lang na sabi ko sa inyo. Sinasabi ko sa inyo God is good and alam kong hindi ko to kaya and alam kong siya lang talaga to. Siya lang talaga to, guys. So, I'll take you with me sa journey ko for 16 days and every day I'll try to update you kasi para naman ma-inspire din ako na mag-study. Let's go! So, meron tayong ito, medical review. Kita niyo ba? So, Archer, etong dalawa is hindi ako nakalagay nito, but nakalagay ako sa dalawa, Simple Nursing at saka UWorld. So, mainly sa UWorld ako nagre-review. Meron na silang mga discussion, like lectures. And, ito, Simple Nursing is nasa phone ko. So, nasa phone ko siya, which is here. Kasi yung Simple Nursing ginagamit ko for, wait lang, Simple Nursing. Saan ba siya? Nawawala. Sige, ginagamit ko siya pag nasa work ako. Mabasa ako kasi sobrang ganda nitong Simple Nursing kasi super simple lang talaga siya. Like, my study guides siya. May mga trick and tips siya ba na yun, ma-expire na to. So, may mga pictures na madali mong ma-remember. Ganyan, maganda siya. So, yan yung sa work ko ginagamit. Pero pag andito ako sa bahay, I'm using UWorld. Yan. So, UWorld, meron silang, I think, mga 2,000 ba na questions? Na parang bank questions. Parang mga test. And, yung nagamit ko pa lang is around 600, I think. Or 800 something. Wait lang, let me check. Baka maglalagin na naman ako nito. So, meron to silang KeyBank. And tingnan natin ha. So, meron silang 2,165 na, no, 2,738 na questions. yung may next gen din sila, ang traditional. And yung nagamit ko na is 600. So, meron pa akong, no. Kasi nakasabi dito, unused is 1583. So, more than 600 na. Mga 1,000 questions na yung na gamit ko. And, so, meron pa akong mga 1,500 and meron na akong 16 days. So, kailangan ko talaga siyang, ang goal ko is tapos ko yung questions, ma-answer ko yung questions, and then matapos ko yung lectures. Yung lectures is, meron na lang akong 20 topics. Nasa pharmacology na ako. So, yun yung goal ko today. Matapos ko yung 20 topics para for 15 days, mag-answer na lang talaga ako ng, yung sa QBank. And then, one day, parang meron akong 2 days na kailangan kong maggamit ng adaptive na parang same lang sa actual na exam. Meron din dito sa New World. So, gagamitin ko siya for, I think, like, maybe 4 days before. Kasi may off ako na 3 days before kami fly sa Australia. Kasi sa Australia yung aking exam and sa Sydney. And, yeah, I'll take you with me. So, i-update ko lang kayo. Ano na nangyayari? Kasi ito yung first day natin. So, medyo mahaba tong video na to. But every single day for 16 days, I'll try my best na mag-update. So, syempre, hindi mawala ang ating Bible kasi naman si Lord na talaga. Sabi ko sa inyo guys, si Lord na talaga lahat ng mga exam ko. Si Lord na talaga yung go before me. Kasi ito yung mga books ko. Ito yung tinatry kong, ito, sira na kasi siya. Central Perk, friends. Sira na siya sa ginawa ko siyang ganyan. Nalagyan na ng pens ko, markers. Ito yung current na book na nireview ko. Ano lang siya, normal. Ito sana yung ginawa ko, kaso nabili ko to siya even before, and akala ko malaki siya, online ko kasi binili, so maliit pala siya. So, ito is full na, gamit ko na to lahat. Ito nagamit ko na half, and then ito hindi ko pa nagamit. Yan, extra ko siya. Yan, so ito, sobrang... So, basically, ito talaga yung aking study station. Nasa kitchen area ko siya. Kasi wala naman akong study room. And then, ito yung... So, wait lang. So, dyan ako nag-study, right? Ito yung aking view. Ito yung aking view as of the moment. So, mga sinulat ko para ma-remember ko, mga ganyan. So, every morning, hindi naman every morning, pero kailangan ko mag-stretch. Naka-stretch ako dito, nakaharap dito. So, ito yung sabi ko sa inyo sa Simple Nursing. Sobrang gustong-gusto ko siya. Kasi like ito, normal sinus, may siyang treatment. Parang may keywords lang siya. Like, you don't need to read. So, dito ako nag-study. And yan yung aking view. Most of the time, dito din ako umiiyak kasi na-overwhelm ako at saka na-pressure ako. But, always kung na-remember na hindi to akin, kay Lord to, hindi niya to, and kung anong gusto niya, kung ano yung answer niya, siya na yung bahala. Okay, countdown for my exam. 15 more days to go. I've got egg, rice. That's good. I woke up 9:30 and it's already 10:20. Kailangan ko mag-answer ng 550 questions for today, at least 50. But before that, ready na tayo guys. Kagabi, sobrang disappointed ako kasi yung mga scores ko sa mga exams, practice test is just 69, 65, 60s lang talaga. Isang beses nakakuha ko ng 75 or dalawang beses ako nakakuha ng 75 at saka 71. Pero yung passing is 75. Okay, Ang dami kong pimps. Every time na pupunta ako sa akin kasi nagpapa-facial ako once a month. For a year lang to. Answer na tayo kasi it's 10:30. So, 50 questions is meron siyang timer ng 2 hours, I think, or 1.5 hours. Answer na tayo ng 50 questions at least. And then 50 questions tonight. So, 100 per day. I have 27 correct, 26 correct, 27 incorrect. So 50-50 correct. It's okay. Let's learn about it. Of the moment, kakatapos ko lang mag-work. I think I've been here for 20 minutes. I've been answering practice exam, 50 items. So I have 1 hour and 20 minutes to finish this. So I'll see you tomorrow for 14 days. Good morning. Sorry, I'm wearing the same sleeping clothes kasi ginagamit ko siya 2 to 3 nights. Hindi naman sayang. Night ko lang naman siya ginagamit. Anyway, good morning. 14 days to go bago yung aking exam. Ito yung ginagawa ko lagi. Nag-stare. Can really relate. Alam ko na si Lord lang yung mag-fight over sa exam na to. Siya yung will go before me and will lay out kung ano yung plan niya before me. So, trust him, I believe in him. Yun lang talaga yung magagawa ko. Anyway, magkakape na lang tayo. Tapos, mag-take na naman ako ng exam. 50 na naman na questions. So, 50 in the morning and 50 sa night. Tapos na kasi ako sa lectures. So, minsan nakikinig ako ng lectures sa simple nursing. Pero mostly na ginagamit ko is Europe. So, yung questions nila, meron lang akong 1-3 kasi na 1-4 kahapon, diba? So, 1-3. So, if lagi akong mag-take ng exam, 100 per day, magagamit ko lahat ng practice. 14.
Ahoy!
14 days before the exam. My husband's annoying me. I just came home
Ahoy!
from work.
I'm washing the flowers.
Not washing, but watering.
Huh? Watering. And we're gonna eat dinner. Bravo.
He's gonna eat. I have a headache
That's because you don't
from
eat.
work. It's so exhausting.
Do we have any anthurium here? Is this anthurium or is it just leaves?
Yeah, that's it there. How about that other one?
Which other one?
Love, there. That's your anthurium. Look at it. Watering the plants because they're dying. Because I have been neglecting them. I'm sorry, plants.
Sorry, plants.
So, we're gonna answer another 50 questions.
Are
Even
you
if
sure?
I have a headache.
You're not looking like you're up to it.
I know, but I have to. Help me, Lord. Cheesecake. Cheesecake and coffee. 13 more days before the exam.
Is it still 13?
13 days for the exam lang.
What's the day? 27th? Wait,
No, it's 11th.
20. So 24 is the quiz.
23.
23. So that's
11.
12 days.
Is it 12 already?
Well, plus today.
It's 11 days today.
But the last day is not counted, so technically it's 12 because with 23, but 23 you're not studying. It's in the morning, right?
Oh yeah, that's true. So it's 12 days. See, that's why I have my husband. 12 days.
Correction. I got 12 days.
I'm so sleepy. It's already 10:30. I need to answer.
Papa, grab the medicine.
Stretch this. So I have to finish this quiz 50 minutes. I mean 50 items. So I did 50 items morning and night.
About it.
Hi, I came home from work. 12 days to go, and my husband is so kind and bought me some food. Yeah, he's disappointed with me today because I got low score.
No.
I'm depressed today. I wanted to buy another thing but I got so busy.
No shopping with Marinko.
I got
From
so
now on,
busy.
you will be shopping when quiz is 75 or more.
I got depressed every time I'm depressed. I buy something, and I bought shoes.
And what did you buy before?
I bought shirt.
Now stop recording and start eating.
I'm gonna eat before I answer. Good morning, guys. Today is 11 days before my exam, and hindi ako nag-study last night. And ngayon nagising ako ng late 11:30. Actually nagising ako ng 10:30. At hindi ako bumangon. Lazy day talaga kasi tingnan niyo sa labas, sobrang gloomy, umuulan. Umuulan sa labas, guys. Wala ako sa mood. Tapos pagod ako galing sa work. Yan yung struggle ko. Pag mag-work ako, hindi ako makapag-study and hindi ako makapag-focus. Sobrang konti lang. So ngayon is hindi ako answer the questions. Maybe kung okay yung job ko today. Maybe mag-answer ako tonight. Hi, I am back. Guys, wala talaga akong gana. Naiiyak na ako. May music pa tayo. Pa-music pa tayo dito. Ginagawa ko, nag-read lang ako ng aking Bible. Kasi wala talaga akong ganang mag-study. May mga times talaga na oh my gosh, ano ba yung background music natin parang timing. Anyway, mag-read lang muna ako ng Bible para ma-ease yung aking anxious ako eh. Kailangan kong i-remind yung self ko na if will niya to, then alam kong papasa ako. But if hindi, alam kong papasa pa din ako kasi next time or meron pa namang next time. Pero alam kong ayaw ko na ng stress. So gusto kong matapos na to. And, you know, if hindi man ibibigay ni Lord, then next time, if ibibigay, then thank you, Lord. But I know na ibibigay niya to sa akin kasi I know na sa kanya to, calling niya to. Kasi bigla lang talaga to, like a snap. Bigla lang talagang nangyari na mag-apply ako ng mga applications and all. And I know na hindi niya ako iiwan. Andito kayo sa moment na to na nag-study kayo tapos ayaw niyo talagang mag-study. Remind niyo lang na para kanino ba to? Bakit mo ba to ginagawa? And ito ba talaga yung gusto mo? O gusto ni Lord to para sa'yo? So, i-remind yourself mo na huwag kang normal lang to. Normal lang na merong mga times na depressed, disappointed ka sa self mo. Pero huwag kang mag-doubt kay Lord.
are really high in sodium. And those are all things we want to avoid for our clients with end-stage kidney disease. So hope y'all have a good weekend, and we'll see you next week.
Here's the line I want you to see, describing Jesus as a root out of dry ground. He has no form or comeliness, and when we see him, there's no beauty that we should desire him. He is despised and rejected by men, a man of sorrows and acquainted with grief, and we hid, as it were, our faces from him. He was despised, and we did not esteem him. That one line, a root.
Hi everyone. Hi fam. Update. It has been how many days na hindi ako nag-aaral? I think. And I decided na may mga times talaga na ayaw kong mag-aral. The past days sa work is sobrang busy. So, pagod ako pagdating ko ng bahay. Tapos pagising ko, pagod pa din ako, guys. Like, alam mo yung katawan mo, dinadrag mo. I think 4 days akong hindi nag-study. Today, yung plan is, I'm gonna, diba, confident si ate na mag-take ng adaptive test. So, 100 items siya. Para siyang same lang kung ano mangyayari sa NCLEX. So, kailangan ko siyang gawin today kasi dalawa siya. So, 2 beses ko siya gagawin ng, para siyang self-assessment kung saan ako. After 4 days na hindi nag-study. Anyway, so, gagawin ko siya 100 items for 3 hours or 4 hours ata. So, gagawin ko siya today and then gagawin ko siya before, and then yung pangalawang self-assessment is gagawin ko siya before kami mag-fly pa Australia. So, that's yung flight namin is Sunday. So, that's gonna be maybe on Friday. Oo, Friday. Yung namin doon is punta kami sa church. Mag-church. Excited ako niyan. Actually, excited ako sa Hillsong na church. Gusto kong pumunta doon talaga. Dream ko yun ever since na pumunta sa Hillsong na church. Actually, gusto ko talagang pumunta sa Hillsong na conference. So, soon, if babalik na yung conference nila kasi wala pa akong nababalik ang bumalik yung Hillsong conference. So, gusto kong pumunta nun. Gusto ko. Yan yung isang goal ko in life. But yeah, I'm so excited. Oh, no, not excited. Excited for the church, Hillsong Church. Kasi gusto ko makita. Pero, kinakabahan, but it's okay. Si God na ang bahala. Lord na. 4 days hindi nag-study. Anyway, mag-start na ako, guys. So, pasensyahan niyo na ako. Nagkaka-church ko lang. Kakatapos ko lang mag-online church. So, hindi ko alam if makapag-update ako everyday. But, we'll see. Baka ang next update ko is yung pa-fly na kami. Okay, bye. Good morning, everyone. It's actually 12 noon already. It's 16 ng April. 17, 18, 19, 20, 1, 2, 3. 7 days na lang, guys. So, pang pressure ng brain ko. Nag-migraine ako. I'm sorry if hindi ako pumasok today. I'm sorry sa boss ko. Hindi ko kaya yung pressure. Kailangan ko ng mental health day. Pero tingnan niyo yung ginagawa ko. Same pa din naman. Biglang nagising ako ng 1 kasi nga si Joseph is night shot. So, sabi ko, pagising ko, sakit pa rin yung ulo ko. Hindi naman siya masyadong like overwhelming. Kasi pag nag-atake yung migraine ko, stop mo na ako ng... Wait lang. Oh. Good morning, guys. Another day and another update. Ano na ngayon? Wednesday. So, may sipon ako. Masakit ako. Slightly low grade fever last night. Low bat ako. So, update tayo ng quick lang. Pasensyahan nyo na yung boses ko. Wala. Luto ako. Ang gagawin ko is mag-answer ako ng 50 questions kasi it's already 12 na. Tapos, mag-work ako ngayon. 2:30 yung work ko. So, yun. And then, yeah. Magbasa muna ako ng Bible before ako mag-eto. Tapos, kakain. Tapos, mag-study na. So, yan. Wish mo luck. Hi! Good morning! Today is, ano ba ngayon? Oh my gosh. Thursday. Thursday na yung flight namin is Sunday. Na night shift pa rin si Joseph. So, hindi ako masyadong mag-ingay. Kunti music lang. So, Thursday. Today, alam niyo guys, very disappointed ako sa self ko kasi hindi ko na realize yung New World meron pa siyang madaming options. And all this time, I've been doing self-practice. Gusto kong mag-practice ako ng mga, you know, answering questions. And then, I just found out kasi nanood ako ng mga videos ng mga gumagamit ng New World. And I just found out, tanga din ako, diba? Found out last night na pwede akong maggawa nung yung self-assessment pala is different from the one na parang adaptive siya na parang same siya nung sa actual exam. So meaning merong type doon sa New World app na mag-detect ako ng exam same like sa final or sa NCLEX na talaga. The questions are from minimum question is 85 to 150. So, kung mag-stop siya, parang automatic mag-stop yung computer. Parang computerized siya na adaptive test. Automatic na mag-stop yung computer if na-achieve mo na yung depends if na-achieve mo na yung quota mo. Quota ng wrong or quota ng correct answer. So, depende. So, hindi talaga siya hindi siya sure kung ano. But, alam mo yun, kinakabahan ako. Ngayon ko lang nalaman, last night ko lang nalaman. So, today, yun yung gagawin ko. Itatry ko yung adaptive, computerized adaptive. So, mag-stop lang siya nung sa kanya. And then, pa-practice test pa rin ako. Pero most of the time ngayon is adaptive kasi kailangan ko siyang gawin para ma-practice ako.
Pretend. Yeah. I mean, why not? It's either that or cry myself to sleep.